Walking out of a cigar bar downtown, crossing the street and I see you stopping traffic, and I'm like, what's her name? Where's she from? Where's she going? I wanna go there too. That gets your mind racing, overthinking every word, intoxicated, feeling faded, so good it hurts. Wrapped around your pretty finger, spinning your world, and I can't help falling in love with beautiful girls. The city lights make her long hair shimmer, and all the cars and the crowds just disappear. Yeah, I'm a hunk of burning love, I can't get enough. I tell myself it's now or never. It gets your mind racing, overthinking every word, intoxicated, feeling faded, so good it hurts. Wrapped around your pretty finger, spinning your world, and I can't help falling in love with beautiful girls. Beautiful girls. Love all them beautiful girls. It gets your head shaking, heart breaking, head turning, fire burning, daydreaming, believing you got a chance. It gets your mind racing, overthinking every word, intoxicated, feeling faded, so good it hurts. Wrapped around your pretty finger, spinning your world, and I can't help falling in love with beautiful girls. Beautiful girls. Man, I love them beautiful girls. Where the ladies at?
Let's learn soul stirring. It's choreographed by Jef Camps Roy Verdonk. It is a 32 count 4-wall Improver Chacha. It has a restart on wall 3 after 12 and counts, where you'll add on 4 sways before restarting the dance, and on wall 7 after 12 and counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn soul stirring. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left. We're going to do a cha-cha time step. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step your left next to your right, and then step your right next to your left. We're going to step our left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to do 3 walks forward, step, right, left, right, and then we're going to do a mambo quarter turn. Rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cha-cha time step. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to cross rock our right over our left. Recover back onto your left foot, and we're going to chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and we're going to do a sailor with a sway. So you're going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, and when you step your left foot out to the side, you're going to sway your hip to the left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quarter mambo for 8 and 1, so you're going to cross rock 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3, we're going to sway right, left. We're now going to do a cross mambo step. So you're going to cross rock your right over your left, recover onto your left foot, and step your right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right foot, and then we're going to do a lock step back, stepping your left foot back, cross your right over your left, step your left foot back. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailor sway for 8 and 1. You're going to sway 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to do a big step back with our left and drag your right into your left. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left, and we're going to do a left forward lock step, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward, and then you'll be ready to start over again with your cha-cha time step. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our lock step back for 8 and 1. You're going to rock back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your cha-cha time step. So it's side, together, together, side, together, together. Walk, 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 mambo quarter turn. Cross rock recover, chasse, cross side sailor. Sway, sway, sway. Cross mambo step. Cross back, back rock back, recover, half back drag, ball step, lock step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cha-cha time step. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Now let's talk about the first restart where you add on the sways. So on wall 3, you will dance up to 12 and counts, and then you're going to add on the sways. So let's dance those 12 and counts so that you know where it happens. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your cha-cha time step. So it's side, together, together, side, together, together, walk, 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 mambo quarter turn, cross rock, recover, and now you're going to go side, together, and then you're going to do 4 sways. So you're going to step to the right and sway, right, left, and then you're going to restart the dance, side, together, together, side, together, together, going into your time steps. The next time restart will be on wall 7. So if you think this becomes wall 4, you'll dance wall 4, wall 5, wall 6, all the way through. Then on wall 7, the music is going to slightly change for these 12 and counts. We're going to dance the same 12 and counts that we did, but not add on the sways. So doing your time step, you're going side, together, together, side, together, together, walk, 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 mambo quarter turn, cross rock recover, side together, and then you're going to restart the dance, side, together, together, side, together, together, and go into your time steps. Now the dance does technically end facing the side wall. There is not an ending listed on the step sheet, but if you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock, what Jef did in his video was on that back step where we make that half turn, instead of doing a drag, all he did was that half and then he made a quarter, stepping sharply to the side so that you end facing 12 o'clock with the last beat of the song. So that is a good way to end facing 12 o'clock if you're somebody that likes to end facing the front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts into their next walls. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your cha-cha time step. So it's side, together, together, side, together, together, walk, walk, walk. Mambo quarter turn, cross rock, recover, chasse, cross side, sailor, sway, 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 cross mambo step, cross, back, back, lock, back, recover, half back drag, ball step, lock step, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. You're going to dance your 12 and counts and then add on your sways. Side, together, together, side, together, together, walk, 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 mamba, quarter, turn, cross, rock, recover, side, together, sway, 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 restart, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Side, together, together, side, together, together, walk, 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 mama, quarter, turn, cross, rock, recover, chasse, cross, side, sailor, sway, 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 cross, mama, step, cross, back, back, rock, back, recover, half back, drag, fall, step, lock, step, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 12 and counts. Your time step, walk, 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 mamba, quarter, turn, cross, rock, recover, side, together, restart, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And then you will dance through until you make that quarter turn to end facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn soul starting. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Walking out of a cigar bar downtown, crossing the street and I see you stopping traffic, and I'm like, what's her name? Where's she from? Where's she going? I wanna go there too. That gets your mind racing, overthinking every word, intoxicated, feeling faded, so good it hurts. Wrapped around your pretty thing, you're spinning your world, and I can't help falling in love with beautiful girls. The city lights make a long hair shimmer, and all the cars and the crowds just disappear. Yeah, I'm a hunk of burning love, I can't get enough. I tell myself it's now or never. That gets your mind racing, overthinking every word, intoxicated, feeling faded, so good it hurts. Wrapped around your pretty thing, you're spinning your world, and I can't help falling in love with beautiful girls. Beautiful girls. Love all them beautiful girls. It gets your head shaking, heart breaking, head turning, fire burning, daydreaming, believing you got a chance. That gets your mind